Regarding the Chief Minister's Meghalaya grassroots music program, sir, our state has emerged as one of the top 3 concert destinations in India. This is a matter of great pride for all of us. Mr. Chairman, sir, I sincerely hope the government will continue to build on this momentum and work toward making Meghalaya the music capital of the country. In this regard, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to place one suggestion before the House. A suggestion that reflects the heartfelt desire of gospel singers across the state, sir. I propose that the government consider organizing one major annual platform exclusively for gospel singers, sir. Such a platform would not only nurture talent, but also strengthen a spiritual and cultural fabric. I'm confident that our people will be greatly blessed through this initiative, sir.